Welcome to our YouTube channel Almira Elegance, decorating tips and ideas. Here we are dedicated to helping you unlock the full potential of your almiras by transforming them into stunning functional pieces of art that reflect your personal style and creativity. Are you tired of opening your almira to a cluttered mess? Do you wish you could turn into a focal point of your room's design? Look no further, because we are here to guide you through the journey of almirah decoration like never before. Join us as we delve into the world of almirahs, exploring various styles, themes, and techniques that can breathe new life into these often underestimated pieces of furniture. Our videos are designed to inspire, educate, and empower you to take charge of your living spaces and create almirah setups that not only organize your belongings but also showcase your unique taste. From vintage and rustic designs to modern and minimalist approaches, we have got it all covered. Our step-by-step tutorials will walk you through the process of transforming a simple almirah into a work of art with easy to follow instructions, helpful tips, and creative ideas that you can implement right away. But it's not just about aesthetics, we also focus on functionality. Our channel is your go-to resource for optimizing storage solutions, arranging items for easy access, so, if you are ready to embark on a journey of creativity, design, and organization, hit that subscribe button and join us. We dive into the world of almirah